Chase Man, Coleman, what are you doing?
A plane with dresses. A police car.
Coleman, what do you have? Is that the Indominus Rex?
Yeah, from Jurassic World.
You know what would be really cool right now? If we had some of those new Ryan World eggs.
Ryan World?
Yeah.
Ryan must be like this.
Do you want to play with a new Ryan World toy?
Yes.
You know what I think we need to call?
What?
I think we have to call Princess T. Do you want Princess T and Princess Granny to come here and play with you guys? And maybe they'll bring new Ryan World toys?
Yeah.
You know what, guys? If we want Princess T and Princess Granny to come here, we have to say, I wish that Princess T and Princess Granny were here.
I wish Princess ToysReview would come.
Whoa! Look who's here! It's Princess T and Princess Granny! How did you guys get here?
We heard you guys say wish.
Chase Man, what do you have?
A Ryan World.
You got a Ryan World egg? Coleman, what do you have?
It's a giant Ryan World egg.
And I got a little one.
You got a little one? Are they yours or do they belong to Granny?
They're all for Granny.
Chase Man, Coleman, you are so lucky to have Princess T and Princess Granny from Princess ToysReview here to play with you, and they brought you the new Purple Ryan exclusive eggs.
You want to unbox them? Yeah?
Ooh, can we trade? I get the big one, you get the little one.
I'm gonna get a big one. And you little.
Maybe he wants the big and the little one now.
How about that? Yeah?
I'm fun. I already opened it. Here's all the toys in this big giant egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Where's the egg?
Where did they go? What did you do with Granny's
Where
eggs?
did you hide them?
I don't know.
Chase Man, Coleman, what happened to the eggs?
Are you sitting on them eggs?
Are you sitting on the egg?
You were sitting.
I'm sitting on the egg? No.
No, not in.
Granny's
It's
pocket.
not in my boo pocket.
They there? Where'd they go? This is not cool, guys.
Huh?
Oh, what's that noise?
Do you hear that?
Where did it come
I hear giant footsteps.
Oh my God! Come here!
Chase Man, Coleman, who is it?
Dinosaur friend?
Is that your dinosaur friends? Oh,
Here?
there's the doorbell. Let me go see who's here. I have a feeling, you know what? This has James the T-Rex written all over it. Let me go see who's at the door. Let's see what dinosaur friends are here playing tricks on us. It has to be James the T-Rex. Hey guys, did you hide Chase and Cole's surprise eggs on them? Alright, listen, that's not really cool. Princess T's here, Princess Granny's here. We're just trying to have some fun. Can you tell us where the eggs are? Fine, we'll go find them.
Welcome to the Princess.
Chase Man, Coleman, Princess Granny, Princess T, James the T-Rex, Bobby the Brontosaurus, Blue the Raptor, the Situation Source, Tina the T-Rex. They're all at the front door. No, it's okay, they're our friends.
They're friends?
Yeah, dinosaurs are our friends. Yeah, that's Chase and Cole with Dinosaur Patrol.
Whoa!
And they rescue all the dinosaurs from Jurassic World.
They're special friends.
But here's the problem.
What's the problem?
The dinosaurs have a sense of humor. And they like to hide toys on Chase and Cole.
But Granny is the best finder.
No, I'm the best finder.
You're the best
We're
finder.
both the best
How about we
finders.
team up to go find your
I'm the
egg?
best finder in Dinosaur Patrol.
You are?
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay, then you and I
Let's come up with a plan to find them. Come on. Huddle up. Ready, set, go. Let's go up. Come on.
James the T-Rex said they hid the eggs somewhere in our house.
Where are they?
Where can they be?
I'll find them for you.
Right there?
Where? Let's see. I bet you ever had these little children. Oh, wait a minute.
They there?
Granny's getting
Are they
tired.
there?
I think we should take a nap.
Granny, you okay? Coleman.
They're not in there.
They're not in there?
Ryan,
see
where
it?
are you? Let's go look for Rex. Like, where are they?
Oh, look!
Right there.
I found them!
What?
I found them!
No, that's
Here's an egg! It's a big egg! Right! There's another one!
No, it's not. No, it's one mystery surprise egg.
So that's the wrong egg?
Yeah, that's the dinosaur egg.
Oh.
Yeah, we're looking for one mystery plate. Not
Are they under the table?
Are they? No.
Are they under Buzz Lightyear?
No.
and beyond! I think they're in here! I think they're all in here! Look! Ah!
Princess T.
Yes.
Where did those eggs go?
I don't know. Friends, do you know where they are? Huh?
Slinky dog ate them?
Here, you pull one side, I pull one side. Yay!
No, that's not one egg. That's just a big ball. That's just big ball that we go on.
How are we gonna find it?
Where should we look next?
Where are we gonna go?
Upstairs.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Let's go. Come on. Let's find our right egg. Where do we go?
This way.
Okay, which way? Are they down here?
You gotta look somewhere. Where? Did you find one?
Yes.
Chase Man found one.
Wow! You found a big one. High five. Good job.
Awesome!
Yeah.
Let's find some. Come on!
All right, let's regroup now, guys. Let's focus. Let's think about where the next egg is gonna be.
Do you know?
I'll figure it out.
Okay. We'll follow them.
Go, go, go. No.
It's
I don't
not
see.
in there.
But we're kind of hungry. Should we get a snack?
What?
Yeah.
No? Oh, we have to find the egg. You're right. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Let's go. This one in the plant.
Isn't that over here? Anything in there?
Not in there.
What about over here?
Guys, you gotta wait for Granny and Princess T.
Wait. Where's gonna be? That spins really hard.
If you were a dinosaur, where would you hide it at? You don't know?
You would hide it in your toys.
Yeah, let's go look at the toys.
You it's
It's a nice path, though.
Yeah, it is.
What do you think?
There you go.
Yeah, it's a clue.
It's a clue. What does it say?
I don't know.
You don't know? I think it says. Is he wearing a jacket? I think that's the clue. It's somewhere where you put your jackets.
Oh,
Guess what your jackets?
I know where. Wait. It's in the jacket place.
Is it in here? Where?
Ready, help us.
Hurry up! Get it!
I want to do it.
It's all the way up on top!
We can get it.
Good job, Chase Man! Yay!
That was good teamwork, you guys. Put your hands in. Come on. Ready? Teamwork!
Good job, guys. Thank you so much, Princess T and Princess Granny.
This thing over there.
It's a dinosaur.
Let's go find that green dinosaur that's running around the house, though. We have to find him. Where'd he go? Go get him! There he is! Go! Get the green dino! It's Rex! It's Rex! What's Rex doing here? Rex, are you hiding our Ryan rolled eggs? That's not cool, Rex. Get him, Chase and Cole. Get him! Get him, Chase Man, Cole Man. Princess T,
What's the game plan?
you need to use your superpowers
Okay.
to make Rex disappear.
All right, let's do that. Come
You
on.
good?
Where are you? There he goes.
You gotta use all of your dinosaur superpowers to make them disappear. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's gone! You guys did it!
Awesome job! Now we can open up the Ryan's World egg.
Oh, you got the other 2. Awesome.
I the big ones.
I want them all.
How lucky are you guys to have Princess T and Princess Granny show up at our house with these awesome Ryan World eggs and help you find your Ryan World toys after your dinosaur friends made them disappear. How cool is that?
Is it super cool? But you know what's even cooler and funner? That Princess T and Princess Granny got to play with you. Not that you played with us.
See something green?
Oh, that's a tree.
No, it's not. It's a dinosaur.
What do we say to Princess T and Princess Granny, Chase Man and Cole Man?
Do we have hugs?
Give hugs.
Big hug.
Big hugs. Thank you so much, Princess T and Princess Granny. We cannot wait to open up these awesome new Ryan World eggs.
No, I want to say it louder.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can't remember.
Say, I wish Princess T and Princess Granny were here. Coleman, go to them, go to them. No, Coleman.
Are you gonna save us from the dinosaurs? Come save Granny!
Hey, Coleman, go next to him, go next to him.
Go hug Granny, hug
Go
Granny.
next to Granny. I'll cut him out. What is going on? This is hilarious.
I became a dinosaur together.
Oh man. I can't even get my words out right now. Does that thing blow itself up? Are you kidding me? Hey Dino Squad, thanks for watching. This was an awesome and fun collaboration that we did with Princess T and Princess Granny from Princess ToysReview. If you want to see Chase and Cole open up these awesome Ryan World surprise eggs with Princess T, click on this video right now. Right there, click it, click it.